have some data here on the data tab. When we click the checkbox, we want to copy to another tab. So let's do that with extensions AppScript. Over in extensions AppScript, we're going to change this function to onEdit, and we're going to put a variable here. This could be any word like event, word, whatever. We're going to use the letter E as the variable, and this gives us some really cool data. Variable row equals e.range.getRow. Variable call, or short for column, equals e.range.getColumn, full column. So that tells us where we are. We need to know the sheet as well that we're on. Spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet, get active sheet, that's the tab, get name, and we need to know what value is happening. So if we edit some kind of text like real one, the value there is real one. When we go to this A column with this checkbox, it's just a visual representation of true or false. So checking a box true changes it from text from false to true. We need to know that because we need to know the value here. Value equals e.value. Now, based on all this data we have, we're only going to change or copy the data in one instance where the row is greater than 1, meaning it's not the header row, ampersand for and, the column is equal to 2 =1, ampersand sheet is equal to data, that's the name of the tab, and another double ampersand, and our value is equal to true. And that needs to be 2 equal signs. Now, based on all of those circumstances or criteria, we want to execute something, which is we want to copy that row of data to the other sheet. Our other sheet is just called more data. So we need to know something about more data. We need to know the last row equals spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet, get sheet by name, more data, dot get last row. And then we're going to execute something, meaning this more data sheet we actually need also as a variable, more data. So variable more data equals this. So on that more data, we're going to get a range, which is last row plus 1, whatever's the last row, add 1 to it, comma 1, which is only one column, the first column. Actually, we want to set it on the second column, and we're going to set the size, 1 row, 3 columns, because that's the size of our data. You can change that to whatever your thing is needed to. And now we're going to get that range, and we're going to set the values. What are we going to set the values of? Well, we're going to have our data sheet. So that's going to be spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet.getSheet by name equals data. So we go in data.getRange. We know what row we're in. We're going to go to the second column, and we're going to do the exact same size, 1 row, 3 columns. And that's our data. But actually, we need to do get values. So the data range is here, and we need to do dot get values to get those values copied. So let's save this all. We don't have to do anything else. We don't have to set up any triggers. We have a simple trigger called onEdit here. And let's test this out. Real actual data. Let's copy it over to more data, and there it is, real actual data. More actual data. There's more actual data. Some actual data. Almost. Did we not? Did we get some error here? Oh, it's still running. So sometimes we might have done it a little too fast. There it is, some actual data. Oh, my data. Let's skip yes, real data. Oh, my data. And there is oh, my data. Now, if we uncheck all of these, nothing will happen. But we also just checked yes, real data. But uncheck, nothing should happen. Now let's check some actual data and see some actual data at the bottom. Perfect. So we have done it right. We didn't get any errors. If we did get any errors, they would be over here in executions in your app script. If you want to copy this app script, I'll put it in the description below. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.